Guys, so we got a little work done on the Shorty. So if you guys were watching the 6.7 P pump build, this is the engine. I got the head, it's sitting on there, but it's not torqued down because I couldn't find all the head studs, so I'm gonna have to buy a set of head studs. That's another story. So we got the head on it, the oil pan on it. We got it sitting in the hole. The Steed manifold. Everybody on YouTube needs a Steed manifold. Not really, but I'm just saying that's what I'm using for a manifold. We got the mock-up transmission, and I haven't put the transfer case on yet. Just we run out of time. We got late and we got too much screwing around today. But anyways, we got the engine sitting in the frame. Obviously, there's still all kinds of stuff, but I want to get the transfer case in it so I can get the drive shafts figured out. But I'm kind of contemplating, because I'm like this, I might change the rear end to a Dana 70 if I can find one. This is an open diff, and the other one was no good. It was open diff, but somebody had welded it. And it's gonna cost me about $1,400-$1,500 in parts to put a locker in this of some sort, and rebearing it and stuff, obviously. So I'm thinking of putting a Dana 70 in it. I don't need a Dana 80 in this thing. So I think I might do that if I can find one for a reasonable price. I'm still gonna have to go through it likely, but if I can find a posi one with disc brakes for a reasonable price, I'm gonna do that. But we'll see if I can find something for a reasonable price. So anyways, next week we're gonna be doing a bunch of, probably most of what I'll be doing next week is gonna be working on this thing. And I will do some end stuff on the engine, if I can get the head studs and we can start putting stuff together on the engine. There is a bunch of stuff I can do, without any parts, because I have those parts. But anyways, just thought I'd let you guys know what we got going on. That's what we were doing today. And I got the time lapse of us setting the engine in there. So I'll post that right after this. Hey guys, so that's the end of this one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Everybody like, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification button, all that stuff. And we'll catch you on the next one.